attitude. Now what happens? There's already a resistance. There is already a, yes. These are the roots of disharmony in life, okay? So first we have to understand that everyone. And then remember this one thing, yatha drishti tatha srishti. Okay, are you all seeing the same hand? Come on, say something. Yes? Are you seeing the same thing? Yes? No? Yes? You all are seeing this side of the hand, you all are seeing this side of the hand. Isn't it true? You are not seeing the same thing. You are all seeing different. The people who are in the front are seeing something different. The people who are over here are seeing, every one of you is seeing different, right? Not only that, you all have different powers. What is this color? Red, orange, orange, red, something. Are you all seeing the same color? Come on. No. Someone has forgotten their specs. They can hardly see. Or someone, you understand? So you are all seeing different. Your power is different. The way the light reflects from different angles is different. So you are not seeing the same. Now you go and argue. Me joyu tu ne, me joyu tu ne, am hatu ne, me joyu tu ne, am hatu ne, argue. Have you understood this? Yatha drishti tatha srishti. You are seeing the world, including the people, the circumstance and things, as it is being shown to you. Have you all understood that? Yes? You are not seeing it as it is. You are seeing it as it is shown. Understand this, that there is my filter, and my filters are hundreds of filters. Yes or no? The way I have been brought up, the type of school that I have studied in, don't you think that influences? Yes. The type of family background, the type of in other friend circles, all this is influencing my way of looking at the world. And I'm seeing the world through all these filters. It happened once, you know, when I was giving my talk. At the end of the talk, one person came and said, Swamiji, I hope you don't mind, you know, but I want to tell you something. Very like, I said, yeah, what is it? He says, no, Swamiji, in your talk, you know, you made 20 grammatical mistakes. She was an English teacher, you can imagine. So she was sitting and what? Every time I made a grammatical mistake, well-meaning, nice person, wanted to, you know, improve me, which is very good, very nice, you know. So she said, you know, this is the place you make mistakes. I said, I'll try to improve, but when you give talk now, we all grammar, and we are so busy trying to communicate the idea that sometimes grammar takes a secondary role, and that is why it's possible that I make. I'll try to keep these things in mind. And as I was saying, you know, she said 20 mistakes, and, you know, she tried to make out that, you know, my English really needs a lot of improvement. And at that time only someone came, Swamiji, mare tamne kai kevu chhe, I want to tell you something, your English is fantastic. Right there, huh? Pela humne samble. You get it? Yatha drishti, tatha srishti. Now, when we know that we are not seeing the person as the person is, we are seeing that person through our filters. And then what happens, if we understand that much also, at least we keep this in the background. When we interact with them, there is less chances of disharmony. You get the point? You know. See, the person has come from his or her background, with his or her type of training. You don't even know what type of mental stress the other person is going through, or whatever it is. And then you start, you know, and that person says, 1 minute, hold on. You get my point? So we come, apne office mathi avya hoy ne bow you know, we've had a bad time with the boss or whatever, and then you come home and you say, koi ne ghar mein shanti kai nathi. Are bhai mane ghar mein shanti nathi, a tamara 5 nathi ટાબરિયાઓ બધા. આ બધા તમારા વેરાયટીના છે. So I had to live with these 5 of them. If you live one day, you will know. And you come stressed out and you start shouting at me. You understand what I'm saying? So each one of us sees the world only through our side of things, our drishti. And then things appear I remember the first time I saw, and this was years back, in a pink, what is it called? Fluorescent colored Bermudas. I saw one young boy and I said, "Kyaanthi aagyo che?" You know, with circus, because Gemini circus no koi someone's just, what type of clothes? I mean, I was shocked, you know. It's like shocking pink, it's called, you know. And it's fluorescent, it sort of. I said, "Tane thayu chu?" I said, "I'm fine," he's saying. Now, you know what now you go from a background which is more conservative in terms of dress, and then you see something like that. Nowadays, no, they do that different angles, you know, it stands all over. It takes a lot of time, don't laugh at it. 45 minutes, I asked one young guy. 45 solid minutes to make it stand at different angles. It's a lot of time. I mean, I admire them now. No, when I tell them to come, you know, I said, how it stands, you know, it's very nice, you know, it's very interesting. Now, you may not think it, but they think it's cool. You should see, my God, they all want to wear their pants as though it's just about to come down. And you get so worried, you know. And I say, please, let no disaster happen in front of my eyes. You know? I mean, it's just hanging at precarious angles, and you know, and but they think it's cool. You think they think it's bad? No. અને હું છે ને સ્કૂલમાં હતી ને એટલે હું તો સ્કૂલ માસ્ટરની જેમ કહું બધા પેન્ટ ઉપર કરો. ક્લાસમાં I would make them stand. I would stand. I said, everyone get up, come on, put up your pants, tuck in your shirts. This. And the minute, the 1 second, as they turn around, and they pull down. Why? Because they don't feel comfortable. They think they don't look good. And there are girls around, so they don't want to look. You get the point. That's their way of looking. They're not wrong. Okay? When we were young, we had, you know, nata prakarta am karine ambar naka. Sadhana cut. You know, we used to, I mean, I'm telling you, people don't understand how blindly we follow others in our thinking. We also do that. So at a particular age, all of us went through this phase. We know it's a phase. We have to allow it to pass by. But I'm nati karta, we forget we also went through all these, what? Crazy things. And you come out of it. The best part of it is nothing wrong in it. You come out of it. All of us came out of it. Badda barabar ave pant pere ki nat perta. You go to your first interview, you dress like that, they'll throw you out in 1 second. Sidda pant upar tight thai jai barabar. Isn't it true? This happens. You can't do it. So therefore, yatha drishti, remember, everything. You are looking at the whole world through your own eyes. And therefore, if you understand that, there is a chance of more harmonious relationships. Then, look at everyone as yourself. In more of that. See, the minute you start looking at as yourself, the result of that is love, forgiveness, and service. I'll explain to you. This body of ours, this is me, this is me, this is me, all of it is me. Is it true or not? I have Atma Buddhi in the entire body. Now, because I have Atma Buddhi, does it happen that I love this finger, but I can't stand this finger? Does anyone have this problem? You have this? No, you love this. You have all of it equally. Isn't it true? You may look at your face more, but it's not that you don't love your legs. Face you keep looking more because that's what's seen by everyone, so you want to show everyone a better face. That's okay. But you love your legs also equally. Is it true or not? You love your legs, you love every little part of your body because it's me. Okay? And all of you must have had this happening to you sometime or the other, that inadvertently you bite your tongue. Have you done that? So when you do that, what do? Do you go to the nearest dentist and remove all your teeth? Why? Unprovoked attack. Take them all out. How dare they do that? મેં કાંઈ કર્યું નથી ને મને આવું કર્યું? નથી બોલતા this thing statement 100 times. Do we say this or not? મેં કાંઈ કર્યું નથી ને બસ કાંઈ સમજે જ શું? મેં કાંઈ કર્યું નથી. What did I do? અને બસ આમ કરીને એ કરો. This is not fair. This is not right. Did you tell your teeth such a thing ever? મેં કાંઈ કર્યું નથી અને તો એ. I hope you're understanding. What have you done? You don't tell ever. You don't tell them, okay, I'll take it out or anything. You don't do anything. The same tongue, if the food gets stuck in your teeth, what does it do? Right or wrong? It does that. Why? Because this is also me and this is also me. You must have poked your finger sometime in your eye. What happens? You say, I will never look at you again. Why did you do that? I never expected you to do it. You are supposed to take care of me. You did this, I will never look at you. You, batai this, tane batai this. Do you do that? You don't. Why? This is me. The same hand, and because you poked, the tears in your eyes, the hand goes and wipes out the tears. Isn't it true? Why? Because this is me. If your leg, બીજા કોઈના પગ દબાવતા તમે થાકો, બરાબર કે નહીં? કેટલી વાર હવે બસ હવે ઊંઘી ગયા કે નહીં? આ ઊંઘી ગયા ચાલો. Isn't it true? બીજાના પગ દબાવ પણ પોતાને જ્યારે પણ ચાન્સ મળે એ દુખતા હોય તો નથી કરતા. Why? It's me. The natural consequence, the minute there is love, there's this atmiyata, this oneness, this identification, you start serving the other person. You forgive the other person. Of whom will you have dvesha? Of whom will you have this sort of a feeling, I don't like you, I can't stand you, I don't want you, I don't agree with you. Where does all this happen? Does it happen? So how do you live harmoniously? What? When you don't think it is me or my, then all these problems happen. Do you agree with me? બીજું કોઈ બહારનું હોય ને આપણા રિલેશન્સ હોય ને કાકાનો છોકરો કાંઈક બોલી દે or કાકા કાંઈ બોલે તો એમણે બોલે your own husband tells you 100 things which are intolerable. But if you've decided the good old days marriage, you don't say શું કરે. Is it true or no? You see between how much of this, And nowadays, that tolerance itself, from the beginning you decide it's not going to work. I'm telling you, nowadays, children get married with this. They sign agreements. After divorce, who will get what? Before marriage. Meaning what? Meaning what? America ma to થાય છે. It's a fact. Are you aware or not? Before you get married, you already start making plans for. Now, what is the chance of you working it out? You are only going to find out ways when it's not going to work out. Isn't it true? So you already think it's not going to work, and then you start going to a relationship. What harmony is going to be there? Always in the back of the mind is, and if it doesn't work out, I've got a solution. If it doesn't work out, I've got you understand? So you're not going to strive to make it work. You will only, are you with me? So many of them are scared, already, okay, no, I don't want to get into, there is so much of resistance to, and then what happens, another thing, the minute you feel you got hurt in a relation, you make a big wall around you and you lock yourself within. Is it true or not? And then you become bitter and you become, that bitterness, I told you this thing, in the process of going through experiences, every one of us goes through experiences. And in the process of going through experiences, some people become bitter and some people become better. Some people become weaker and some people become stronger. Now, when there is bitterness in my heart, when there is this hardness in me, then what happens? With that, I go around in the world. One bad experience, બધા છોકરાઓ આવા જ હોય. બધી છોકરીઓ આવી જ હોય. આ લોકો તો આવા, લુહાણા આવા હોય. પેલા શું? વાણિયા આવા હોય અને પેલા આવા હોય અને પેલા. You understand? Don't you all do that? We all do that. Now, if